Hello. Happy Wednesday. Hi. Welcome back to my class.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, is that a banks?
Yes. Hello.
Is that a banks, my dear? I like your band.
Yes.
You're doing your hair? Oh, wow. I like that. Nice. I want to try that as well, my dear. I want to try that as well. Well, I think, wow, it looks it looks good on you. Yes. But my dear me, it's nice see you again. And my dear, how are you today?
Yes.
I can't hear you, my dear.
I'm fine.
Oh, wow. That's good. Very good, my dear. So, what did you do before our class?
Uh, I eat dinner.
Wow. That's good, my dear. What? What did you eat?
Uh, Vegetable. Mm, pork and soup
Well,
and
hey.
rice.
Yes. Can you say it again, my dear? Rice.
Rice.
Oh, correct. Wow. Can you say soup?
Soup.
Oh, correct. Nice. And my dear me, who cooks your food?
My sister.
Hmm. I think she is a great cook. Oh, but how's how's the taste of your food, my dear?
Yummy. Very yummy.
Wow, I like that very. I like the
Yeah,
word very.
very.
Yummy. Oh, do you know, my dear? I'm hungry right
Oh.
now. Like, I want to eat pork and pork.
Oh.
I want to try that.
Welcome to Vietnam.
Yes. I'm craving for it. I want to eat it, my dear. Okay, but oh, how's the weather today?
The weather today is cold. Cold.
Wow. So did you wear a jacket?
Yes.
That's good. So you need to wear jacket if you want to go out.
Yeah, thank you.
Ah, that's good. Oh, I think, is it winter in your country, my dear?
Oh, yes, yes,
Mm. Wow, that's good. So it's cold.
yes. Oh,
Yes. And if you feel cold, what do you want to do, my dear? To do if you feel cold.
oh, sleep.
Yes, we are. We are the same, my dear.
Yes,
Yeah. Like this, my dear. Sleeping all day and night.
yes,
Hmm. And I want to drink hot
yes.
with milk. Oh, so yummy. Okay, so are you now ready for our class, my dear?
Yes. Right?
Nice. But but to we need to review again the words that you have learned last week.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Oh, ready.
Mm.
Ready. Okay, so ta-da! Can you
Yeah.
read again this one, my dear?
Light, light.
Correct.
Level, level. Uh, glimp,
Climb.
glimp, lamp,
Yes, correct. Climb. Good.
fill, fill,
Feel.
fill.
Yes, correct. Next.
Milk,
Correct. Next, my dear.
corn,
Good.
corn,
Cold.
coal,
Yes, cold.
cold,
Correct, my dear. Okay, next.
travel,
Good. Travel.
travel.
Oh, wow, I like that. Next, my dear.
Love,
Tush, tush, tush. Yes, love. Very good. Okay, next, my dear.
right,
Mm,
right,
good. Right.
right,
Good. Next, my dear.
wrong,
Mm, wrong. Okay, next, my dear.
sorry,
Mm, sorry.
sorry.
Oh no. Okay, very good, my dear. Next.
Parent,
Correct. I like that. Okay, next, my dear.
mirror,
Very good. Mirror.
mirror,
Oh, good. Nice. Okay, next, my dear.
fire.
Oh, nice. Very good. So, this time, let's continue. Okay, so can you read the first word?
Uh, Number.
Correct. Yay. So can you read?
Uh, she showed us the correct number.
Very good, my dear. Nice. Can you say it again? Us.
Us.
Hmm, good job. Okay, next, my dear.
My room number is 7.
Very good. Wow. Correct, my dear. Nice. Next.
Uh, a, s- a symbol representation representing quantity, quantity,
Very good, my dear. Can you say it again? Quantity.
quantity,
Good. Wow. Can you say representing?
representing,
Good. Wow. One more time, my dear. Representing.
representing,
Oh, correct. Wow. Can you say symbol?
symbol,
Very good. Correct, my dear me. Nice. Okay, next word.
forget.
Mm, correct. Nice.
She made a note in her calendar so she wouldn't forget.
Nice. Very good idea. Can you say it again? So.
So,
Good. Wow. Can you say calendar?
calendar,
Very good. Can you say note?
note.
Good. I like that. Okay, next, my dear.
My girlfriend was upset that I forgot her birthday. Birthday.
Yes. Very good, my dear. Can you say it again? Birthday.
Birthday.
Good. Can you say upset?
Sad.
Ah. Can you say was?
Was.
Good. Was.
Was.
Good. One more time, my dear. Was.
Was.
Good. Was.
Was.
Good. One more time, my dear. Was.
Was.
Good. Not wash. Can you say it again? Was.
Was.
Good. Wow. Can you say it one more time, my dear? Was.
Was.
Good. Wow. Was.
Was.
Oh, correct. Yes. Good job, my dear. Okay. So, next.
Phone to remember something.
Oh, it's very good, my dear. Can you say it again? Fail.
Fill.
Good. Fail.
Fill.
Good. Fail.
Fill. Fill.
Wow. Fail.
Fill.
Mm,
Fill. Fill.
good job, my dear. Okay, so now let's practice some sentences. Okay, so can you say it again, my dear me? L.
L.
Oh, wow, correct. Okay, so
Uh, this is a very nice village. Village.
nice. Can you say it again? Place.
Village.
Good. Place.
Village.
Good.
Village.
Place.
Village.
Good. Place.
Land.
Good. One more time, my dear. Place.
Village.
Mm,
Village.
wow, very good. Place.
Village. Village. Village.
Place.
Village. Village.
Yes. Place.
Village. Village. Village.
Good. Place.
Village.
Good. Wow, correct, my dear. Nice. Okay, next.
She is beautiful.
Good. Wow. Can you say it again? She.
She she is beautiful.
Good. One more time, my dear. She is.
She is beautiful.
You are beautiful. You are beautiful.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. Next idea.
Uh, I was there until 8 p.m.
It's very good idea. Can you say it again? Until.
Until
Good. Wow. Can you say eight? Eight. Good, my dear. Can you say it one more time? Eight. Eight.
8, 8,
Good. Eight.
8,
One more time, my dear. Eight.
8.
Oh, very good. Nice. Okay, so next, my dear.
Look at that bird.
Wow, correct. Bird.
Bird. Bird.
Good. Yes, bird.
Bird.
Oh, correct. Good job, my dear. Nice. Okay, next.
He is very healthy. Healthy.
Yes, healthy.
Healthy.
Good job, my dear. Okay, next.
You need to drink less coffee.
Yes, one more time, my dear. Less.
Less.
Good. Less.
Less.
Oh, correct. Nice. I like that. Okay. Next, can you say R?
All.
Yes. R.
All.
Good. One
All.
more time, my dear. R. R. Good.
All.
Correct.
I.
R.
I.
Nice. One more time, my dear. R.
I.
Oh,
I.
correct. Yes. Good. Wow. Okay. So can you read the first sentence?
Would you like some bread?
Oh,
Bread.
wow, very good. Can you say it again, my dear? Bread.
Red.
Nice. Can you say some?
Some.
Good. correct, my dear. Next sentence.
This bed is different. Different.
Oh,
Different.
yes, different.
Different.
Very good. Nice. Correct, my dear. Okay. Can you say page? Page.
Beige.
Good. One more time, my dear. Page.
Beige.
Good. Page.
Beige.
One more time. Page. Correct. Page.
Beige.
Oh, correct. Nice. Okay, so next sentence, my dear.
Children grow up first. Fast. Fast.
Yes. Can you say it again? Fast.
Fast.
Good. Fast.
Fast.
Correct. Nice. Okay. Can you say children?
Children. Children.
Okay. Very good, my dear. Next.
Uh, I run twice quick.
Oh, very good. Can you say it again? Twice.
White.
Good. One more time, my dear. Twice.
Twice.
Oh, correct. Wow. Can you say run?
One.
Okay, very good. Next sentence, my dear.
Did you break the vase? Vase.
Nice. Good. Can you say it, my dear? Vase.
Vase.
Good.
Vase.
One more time, my dear. Vase.
Vase.
Good. Vase.
Vase.
Good. Wow, correct. Can you say break?
Break.
Mm, very good. Nice. Okay, next sentence, my dear.
I really like this book.
Very good, my dear. Can you say it again? This. This.
It is
Oh, correct. Can you say really?
really
Correct. Okay, so this time, my dear, let's pronounce or read the paragraph. So, can you read the paragraph, my dear?
okay. Uh, Laura was a girl who didn't like going to school. She enjoyed learning about life and playing with her friends. Instead, they would climb, climb, climb trees, pick apples, run in the valley, and watch the beautiful animals. They would feel really happy until the bell rang. The sound of the bell meant they had to go back inside. She's their dash and look at the pot. It was much colder in the classroom than it was in the valley. Still, this time was different because this was their last day of school, summer break. was starting, and they were going to have many wonderful days to spend playing on of their favorite place.
Very good, my dear me. Good job, good job. Okay, so can you say it again, my dear? A friend.
Friends,
Good. One more time, my dear. Friends.
friends,
Good. Can you say climb?
climb,
Oh, correct. Can you say apples?
apples,
Correct. Apples.
apples,
Very good. Can you say valley?
valley,
Correct. Can you say beautiful?
beautiful,
Nice. Animals.
animal,
Good. Can you say wrong?
wrong,
Nice. Can you say men?
met, met,
Good. Can you say sit? Good. Sit. Yes. Correct. Can you say desk? Nice. Can you say board?
road,
Good. Can you say much?
much,
Good. Can you say colder?
folder,
Nice. One more time, my dear. Colder.
water,
Nice. Can you say was?
wash,
Good. One more time, my dear. Was.
was,
Oh, wow. Very good. Can you say different?
road,
Good. Can you say last?
that,
Last.
that,
Good. One more time, my dear. Last.
that,
Good. Wow. Can you say summer?
summer,
Good. Can you say starting?
starting,
Oh, correct. Can you say going? Good. One more time, my dear. Going.
going,
Oh, good. Can you say wonderful?
wonderful,
Yes, correct. Wow. Can you say playing?
playing,
Good. Can you say places?
places,
Very good. Nice. So can you read again the paragraph, my dear me?
okay. Laura was a girl who didn't like going to school. She enjoyed learning about life and playing with her friends. Instead, they would climb trees, pick apples, run in the village, and watch the beautiful animals. They would feel really happy until the rain. The sound of the bell meant they had to go back inside, sit at their desk, and look at the blood. It was much colder in the classroom than it was in the valley. Still, this time was different because this was their last day of school. Summer break was starting. and they were going to have money wonderful day to spend playing in all of their favorite places.
Good, my dear me. Good job. Can you say it again? Places.
Places.
Good. Can you say board?
Board.
Yes. Good job. Yay. Okay, so this time you need to read first the words here
Yeah.
from A to L. Okay, let's
Oh.
start.
Right.
Good.
Right. Lie. Sugar. Float. Crazy. Clamp. A good. Children. A child. Breathe. Breathe. Breather. Example. Brucey. Problem.
Okay, very good, my dear me. Nice. So, can you say it again? Sugar.
Sugar.
Good. Wow. Can you say clown?
Cloud.
Good. One more time, my dear. Clown.
Cloud.
Good. Can you say crazy?
Crazy.
Nice. Very good, my dear. Can you say lamb?
Lamb.
Hmm, correct. Sorry. I'm sorry, my dear. Can you say child?
Child.
Yes.
Child.
Yes, correct. Child. Okay. Can you say freeze?
Freeze.
Yes, correct. One more time, my dear. Freeze.
Freeze.
Good. Can you say example?
Example.
Good. Wow. Can you say bruise?
Rules.
Yes. Can you say problem?
Problem.
Okay. Very good, my dear me. So now can you find the sound like L? L?
Uh, right.
Letter?
Right.
Yes,
Right.
correct. Letter?
Uh, lie.
Yes, correct. Wow. Correct, my dear. Next.
Glow or cloud.
Yes, clown.
Cloud.
Yes, one more time, my dear. Clown.
Cloud.
Good. What else?
Cool or good.
No, my dear.
Uh,
L.
child. Uh,
Oh,
problem. Problem.
problem. Okay, good. What
Uh,
else, my dear? L. L. L.
lump.
Yes. Very good. Correct, my dear. Nice. Okay, so this time, let's go to the next word. R.
All.
Okay, one more time, my dear. R.
All.
Oh,
All.
wow. Okay, so
Travel. Travel. Wreck. Block. Box. Belly. collect, locate, query, pronunciation, lamp, lamp, letter, lice,
Oh,
lice,
wow. Lies.
lice,
Oh, good, my dear. Okay, can you say it again? Letter.
lecture,
Good.
letter,
Yes, letter.
letter,
Okay. Can you say lamp?
lamp,
Correct. Can you say pronunciation?
pronunciation,
Good. One more time, my dear. Pronunciation.
pronunciation,
Oh,
pronoun-
correct. Yes. Can you say locket?
locate,
Correct. Can you say college?
college,
Good. One more time, my dear. College.
college,
Good. Can you say belly?
belly,
Yes, correct. Can you say force?
force,
Good. One more time, my dear. Force.
force,
Good. Again, my dear. Force.
force,
Good. Wow. One more time, my dear. Force.
force,
Good. Force.
forces, force,
Yes. Force.
force,
Good. Good job, my dear. Can you say it again? Force.
force,
Oh, wow. Force.
force,
Good. Correct, my dear. Force.
force,
Okay. Next, my dear. Block.
lock,
Block. Oh, wow. Can you say break? Yes, break. Okay, wow. Can you say challenge?
challenge,
Yes, one more time, my dear. Challenge.
challenge,
Okay, very good, my dear Miss. So, can you find the sound R?
or,
Mm-hmm.
or, break, break,
Yes, correct.
uh, force, force,
Yes, force.
force,
Good. One more time, my dear. Force.
force, force,
Yes, correct. Next.
belly,
Can you say it
uh,
again?
collect, collect,
College. College.
police,
Can you say it again? College.
police,
Mm. No, my dear.
uh,
R. R.
or,
R. Roar.
pronunciation,
Okay. Next.
uh, letter, letter,
Yes. What else?
lie, r-
R.
lie, lies,
No, my dear. R.